Hi traders, this is David from UsdChf. I want to show you a trade I'm currently in on the USdChf currency pair. I consider this to be a swing trade, so I'm just going to show you my thought process and how I got into the trade. Now, I'm on the 4-hour chart, and before I go to the upper levels, you can see what's been going on here. We appear to be in a channel, okay, in a diagonal channel. If I were to draw a line here, you can see it properly. You can see that it's been going on for quite a while. Okay, this took longer than I expected to actually turn around. I've been waiting for this the whole of last week. It finally turned around, and I expect it to get to this lower channel or lower trend line. Okay, so it hasn't given us, well, it has given us a wave top situation really, but I expect that there will be a bounce, okay, just like something like this. But anyway, let's go to the monthly chart and see what we see. So on the monthly chart, the market seems to be in a congested state. Okay, it's quiet as far as trading goes. So from the monthly perspective, there's nothing to see here. And when we go to the weekly, it's almost the same thing. Okay, on the weekly chart, it looks like we have what looks like a wave bottom situation forming here. All right, but because the trend is not really certain, it's not purely going up or purely going down. It just looks like it's congested actually. Traders chopping wood in here, so there's no point in looking for a wave bottom or a wave top situation here. You are not going to get accurate signals, all right, in this kind of situation. So the best thing to do is look at it from the daily chart and see if you can see something. Now on the daily chart, you can see here this channel like I was talking about. So what I'm trading now is a channel, all right, so the rules may not really apply as it would in an ordinary wave top or wave bottom situation. So I'm just going to go down to the 4-hour chart again, and on the 4-hour chart we begin to see a little bit better. And then on the 4-hour chart we can see slight trends, okay, mini short trends. So we had a wave bottom situation here that took us all the way to this point. So we had the first wave here, second, third wave, fourth, and then fifth. So now it looks like the market is going to start another mini trend down, and unfortunately I did not see this on time. I actually entered this last week with a micro lot, but I wasn't paying attention to the USdChf currency pair. So when I noticed that the major currencies were all trending strongly today, I decided to come and have a look, and you can see I entered quite late. So I'm in the market and I'm making profit, but I get the feeling that the market is going to bounce. Okay, it usually does that, just like it did here. So that's why I placed my stop quite high. So I actually expect a bounce. It may be today, maybe tomorrow, but hopefully it should not knock me out. And I intend to hold on till I get to this region. Okay, this region of the trend line. So if we go down to the 1-hour chart and see what we see. So on the 1-hour chart, we actually have our wave top situation, and you can see on the 1-hour chart how late I got in. Okay, it's still a good trade because I'm still going to hopefully make something in the region of about 72 pips. So it's still a good trade, but I really should have gotten in this region here just when the market crossed this congested area. But honestly, I wasn't looking at the chart as much. So we have our wave top situation here, and let me just see if there's a calculation. There isn't. So if I were to plot my okay, so you can see that my calculations, my profit target calculations, give me my 6 target exactly at the trend line area, which is where I place my. So I'm okay with this. Okay, now usually if you get in early, it's okay to take your profits in the second and third areas of the profit target calculations, but because based on what's been going on the USdChf for some time now, there's no reason why you shouldn't place your profit target in this region, because essentially it's just still in a channel, a diagonal channel. So that's my take on the USDCHF, and hopefully when it gets to this region, I'm going to keep my eye on it more strictly now, so that if it gives me another wave bottom incidence, just like here, here, or here, I'll be able to enter early, okay, and maximize my profit. So thank you very much, and I hope that you learned something from this.